In this video, I will guide you through the configuration of our WhatsApp integration app, WhatsApp for Dynamics, with Dynamics 365 Customer Insights and Journey using the WhatsApp Business API. I will also explain the differences between a trigger-based journey and a segment-based journey. First, we need to activate the WhatsApp for Dynamics integration. Open your Dynamics 365 environment and navigate to the license registration section. Here, simply toggle the switch to Enabled. This initiates the setup process. Once complete, we'll move to the next step, so give it just a moment. Now, let's open Customer Insights in a new tab. Head to Settings and select Custom Channels. This is where we'll connect WhatsApp to your Dynamics platform. Click New Custom Channel, and from the options, choose WhatsApp for Dynamics. Before proceeding, check the consent box to confirm compliance with policies. A quick tip: keep your Meta WhatsApp Business API dashboard open in another tab. You'll need details like your business account number and API credentials handy for the next steps. Let's name this channel something easily recognizable like WhatsApp Business API. The description is optional, but I'd recommend adding a note for clarity. Next, enter your WhatsApp Business API number as the sender. For simplicity, I'll name the communication medium WhatsApp Business API and select WhatsApp Business API as the messaging platform. Ensure the mobile number matches your sender number. Now, populate the remaining fields using details from your Meta WhatsApp Business API account. This includes the app ID, phone number ID, WABA ID, and a callback URL. Double-check every entry to avoid errors. When everything looks good, click Done. The WhatsApp channel is now created. But let's make sure it's properly connected. Switch from the Customer's Insights tab to the WhatsApp for Dynamics tab, and then open the new channel. Under Authentication, paste the secret key and permanent token from your Meta account. Finally, hit Validate. This step confirms the integration is live and ready to use. If successful, you'll see a green confirmation, and you're all set to start building customer journeys. Now that we have set up WhatsApp as a channel, let's quickly understand the difference between trigger-based and segment-based journeys. In Customer Insights and Journey, a trigger-based journey starts when a specific customer action occurs, like filling out a form or making a purchase. It's reactive and personalized to individual behavior. On the other hand, a segment-based journey targets a group of customers who share certain characteristics like demographics or purchase history without needing a specific trigger. If you have any questions, leave a comment or contact us at crm@ionogic.com. In the next video, we'll focus on creating message templates and journeys in Dynamics 365 Customer Insights and Journey. The link to the next video will be available in the description.